Hello and welcome back to Solid Print with me, Ben Keyser. We've been here at TCT3Sixty in 2023. We've been exhibiting for the past 2 days and have had an absolute blast. We've met so many of you. Thank you so much for coming up and saying hi. We've had some really great conversations and some really interesting people have come along to our stand today. We've actually had 3 stands here showcasing different bits and bobs that we do within the business. So we've got the sort of desktop additive manufacture stand next door to us here. This is our sort of big 3D printing stand, and we've also got a scanning stand over there where we've been scanning in a car today and running a competition as well. If you did come and say hi, thanks very much. We've really had fun talking to you guys. And if you'd like any more information about any of the bits and bobs that we do, then please do come along. I'm sure we'll be in contact very soon to arrange any showroom tours or have a bit of a chat with you guys later on. So thanks very much for coming today if you did, and looking forward to seeing you sometime in the future. And remember, don't just have a good day, have a solid day.